Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to shorten a t-shirt quickly and easily. First, measure the amount you want to shorten from the t-shirt using a measuring tape. Then carefully mark the cutting line. Using a measuring tape, carefully mark the cutting line across the entire width of the t-shirt to ensure a perfectly straight and even cut. After finishing the marking, fold the bottom part of the t-shirt as shown in the image, making sure that the folded edge aligns exactly with the marked line, not lower and not higher. Keep the folded part of the t-shirt in place. We use pins to secure the folded edge and prevent it from moving while sewing. Secure the folded edge all around the t-shirt with pins, making sure that every folded part of the fabric stays in place and does not move while sewing. After securing the edges of the t-shirt all around with pins, place it under the sewing machine to stitch the hem. If you don't have a sewing machine available, don't worry, you can also do this stitching by hand. Sew the stitches according to the image and follow the same order as shown. As you continue sewing, remove the pins from the fabric one by one. After finishing the hemming, remove the excess threads from the fabric to make the final result look clean and neat. After trimming the excess threads from the surface, we begin cutting away the extra fabric underneath the stitching we have made. We do this carefully to avoid damaging the main seam. After finishing cutting away the excess fabric, we clean the cut edges with a zigzag stitch. If you have an overlock machine, it is better to use it for this step to achieve a cleaner and more professional finish. However, if you don't have an overlock machine, you can allow to use a zigzag stitch on a regular sewing machine and follow the method shown in the image, using the same stitch style that I am demonstrating. If you prefer, you can also allow to finish the edges by hand sewing. At this stage, you can see the final result of the zigzag edge finishing. As you can see, the fabric edges are neat and clean, and the stitch helps prevent the fabric from fraying. Finally, we press the stitched area with an iron to make it perfectly smooth and neat. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.